In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious coconut macaroons recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of coconut flakes, 2 egg whites, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of honey, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of chocolate chips. In a bowl, we're going to add in the egg whites and whip until frothy. Add in the honey and continue to mix. Add in the salt and the vanilla extract and mix well. Add in the coconut flakes and mix until everything is completely combined. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop some of this mixture into a ball and place it on a baking sheet. Bake this in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Let cool completely. We're going to melt the chocolate chips in the microwave. Dip the bottom of the macaroons into the melted chocolate. Place on the baking sheet and let cool completely. Our coconut macaroons are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.